This is your lawn. Your lawn is part of something bigger, much bigger. It's part of your home, of course, but it's also part of a much larger ecosystem. Get this. Did you know that what you put on your lawn can affect pollinators and even your local waterways? To put it bluntly, the way we've always done lawns is bad, like really bad. Harsh pesticides and excessive fertilizer can poison your little plot of land, and all the little plots around it. But it doesn't have to be this way. At Sunday, we're committed to sustainability from the ground up. From smart packaging to pesticide-free fertilizers, we take a more planet-friendly approach than traditional lawn care brands. Check out the impact we had in 2022 alone. We cut fertilizer use by 2.1 million pounds. We reduced pesticide use by nearly 80,000 pounds. We converted 1.6 million square feet of yard space to diverse plantings. And we reduced plastic material in our products by 140,000 pounds. That's a hell of a year. And we're just getting started. With sustainability in mind, we have the tools you need to take care of the earth below your feet. Good for your lawn and the planet. That's the Sunday way. Let's grow better together. Visit getsunday.com to get started.